But see, as with this case, we have to talk. If you do not want to talk, please be here. Talk. We all are talking. With this case. This is my area. We have my case. We are here. We control. We control. That's why I'm fighting. No, the thing is that just let me refusing to listen. Let me explain it. Let me explain. It is reserve forest. So am I right? Do you give him a medicinal authority? Does he have a medicinal power? No, and order is totally out of the different thing. So let him talk. Let him talk. Let him talk. We are evicting those animals. What areas are political level issues? Here we are not inside the forest. We are not here to create problems. We are here just talking. I think we are not there. It cannot be political issue because they have